Hi, this is a short announcement to present my first long format course in person and in Melbourne this year. As you know, or as some of you know, I have been teaching in person calligraphy for many, many years at my studio called Rodson Studios in Fitzroy. I started in 2014 and I did it all the way until 2020. So during these 7 or 8 years teaching, I learned a lot, and I enjoyed it very much, the experience. I basically found that teaching was another of my callings, and I very much enjoyed it. I actually thought that teaching is my favorite way of learning. So during these years, I connected with many, many students, and I was very happy of sharing my knowledge. As you all know, COVID has stopped all these activities in person, and it was very challenging, but at the same time, it brought lots of new opportunities. The first one is that I consider transitioning to an online platform. I thought this was not possible, but I tried it myself as a student, learning online. And then I started to do some videos on YouTube. My first video appeared, I think, in September 2020. And I think by now it has been watched like 250,000 times or something like that. So that was a huge surprise. After that, I started to do live online courses. I realized the potential of teaching online because it gives accessibility to a lot of people that are not living in big cities and might not have access to high level education. Also, it gave me flexibility to myself because I could live in Melbourne or somewhere else and still keep teaching. Now I'm planning to be back in Melbourne again. I'm landing back at the beginning of April, and I'm going to be there for several months. And after my recent visit last year, I realized there is still interest and a lot of enthusiasm about learning calligraphy. And I thought, why don't I try a new format? So this new format is a long course. It's a 4 month course that covers 6 styles. And it's going to be a very comprehensive course because if you know a little bit about my professional practice, it's not just centered around calligraphy, but around lettering and around typography and typeface design. So the way how I'm going to teach this course, although it's going to be a calligraphy course, it's going to be very holistic because of my professional practice is very holistic. So I'll be touching points on lettering, and I'll be touching points on typography and typeface design because these two disciplines are really, really related to each other. The course is going to use different materials because the alphabets will require different tools. So we are going to use flat brushes and broad edge metallic nibs, and also brush pens, and also pointed flexible metallic nibs. And I'm going to cover different aspects of each script, and I will be introducing as well hints of historical context that for me it really matters. So I hope you will join me. It will be really wonderful if I can do this course and test out a long format, because I will be able to have a deeper connection with you, and I will be able to help you further and be with you for many, many, many weeks. And at the end, we will come up with 3 projects. And it's totally up to you how much you want to work, but the more you work, the more I can help you out. So if you have any questions, please let me know. The course will be in Melbourne starting at the beginning of May, and it's going to go all the way till the 22nd of August. So during all these weeks, every Saturday morning, I'll be with you for 4.5 hours. It's an in-person instruction. The classes will be recorded. The course won't be live online, but the classes will be recorded. Why? For 2 reasons. First, if you cannot make it to one class for whatever the reason, if you're sick or if just your agenda is busy with something else, you will be able to catch up with the class during the week. And 2, if you don't live in Melbourne and you live regional or rural, and you are very interested in calligraphy and you want to get the opportunity of getting serious education on calligraphy, and letterforms, you will be able to access it because I'll be recording every class and you will be able to follow. So let me know again if you have any questions. I would love to have you on board and I would love to try out this new format. So thank you very much.